the new iPhone here, so hopefully the picture's better and the audio's better. Okay, I'm gonna head out to the job for the walk-in box. I got the stickers I need to put on there, but they called because they said the box is warm. And I asked them, I go, hey, were the beer guys out there working today, putting all those taps in? They're all, yeah, they had the door open all day. So I got a feeling the coil's gonna be iced up, so I'm gonna go out there. If the coil's iced up, we'll turn off the breaker to the condensing unit. We'll let the coil melt and then turn it all back on. And then I'll put the stickers on the unit. I got the 404 stickers and we'll get those on there. So let's get out there and take a sniff. There it is. A couple of stickers. It's a little customer service. So let's jump up there. We'll get up the stairs there and we'll go up and check this out. I bet you $5 it's all iced up. Those guys were working on the beer taps today. Hello. Let's see, snowing in there? Yeah, they're working on all this. There it is. Bam. Iced up coilotitis. We'll give her the old de-icer. Right now. And I'll get my label on there. My poor new unit. The beer guys were in there working with the door open and iced up my coil. Look at that. That's a shame. Just terrible. So I'm going to show the guys downstairs where to turn the breaker off tomorrow when those guys are working. And I went ahead and stickered her up. I need to come put stickers on anyways. So we'll get her all de-iced. Alright, so I'm going to let it air defrost. Got a bunch of work to do. They're going to be back here working tomorrow too. Here guys. They're getting all these shanks through the wall. Their thing. That was the beer guys hacking NorCal Dave's new job. I showed the manager how to turn off the 3-pole breaker to the condensing unit. Those guys are going to come back and work tomorrow. We'll see if it ices up tomorrow. So I told them, turn that breaker off. And those guys are in there working. Then it can't refrigerate. Leave the fans running. And that should take care of that for that one. Thanks, beer guys.